Hey, thanks for checking out the video. If you all like it, please like and subscribe, and hope you all enjoy it. Have a great rest of the day.
Bucket baths, I don't know what to call it. You know, like they are bathing, but it's more of like a flying soap and water, and like really getting into that. It's so good. It's going to be prepared for me to sneaky. It's still be sneaky.
Got an S I got started. We'll see if we can finish that up.
They were, yeah, and then linen is like a naturally clean fabric. Like, this might just be lie, but when I take the shirt all the time, like hot water here, and my chest hairs, and it has like a piece of linen in it, it's exfoliating. There's a really cool historian named Ruth Goodman. She mainly does earlier stuff to this, so like 16th and 17th century. But she actually did a lot of cool experimentation with making like fake silicone arms, wearing linen on it, and then wearing cotton on it, and comparing the amount that it rubbed off by measuring it and stuff. And it's really cool because it like naturally scrubs you really big. It's kind of wild. Yeah, it's exfoliating, right? And it, like, you would not believe this shirt. Sometimes the hand wash in the washing machine on delicate and hot, but you set that out to dry, it's like in the sun, maybe last there linen and like the difference is like my they're the same way. So the way you think about it is the fiber of the plant is used to transport water. It's going to make moisture really quickly. If it's the fiber in the plant made to hold water, it's going to hold water. I know that seems like duh, Jacob, but like that's the so cotton, you know, the little thing on the end of cotton, that's for holding in moisture, right? So when you wear a cotton t-shirt, you get wet, it stays wet for a long time. Linen, what this is made of.
He's busy.
Hey,
Hey, how are you?
good. You?
Andrew in his native habitat.
Yeah.
Somebody you haven't met
Okay.
that you need to meet? Abby,
Hey.
you've heard of. Abby's down at Brunswick Town, Fort Anderson.
Yeah.
With
Nice to meet
Andrew
you.
and Jim.
Yeah.
She was at the Fabra for quite a while.
Okay.
And this is the Andrew.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or a Andrew.
Yeah. Hey, Andrew. That's
There are many Andrews in historic sites.
right. There seems to be.
Yeah. I want to get you guys.
Well, thank you.
Good on water and stuff. Yeah, we're good.
She's about to make a recipe from the 1780s from Salem, North Carolina, which is one of the Moravian settlements. It's pretzels, but not the kind of pretzels you think. It's pretzels that are sweet. I told Jay earlier, it's like
Nest hooks are always so much fun, aren't they?
Yeah.
cookies, and then like at grandma's house, they always had like sewing
And
supplies.
so very practical.
Like it never actually had to be cookies. That's what these taste like with their salt. They're like
I need to commission someone to make me a few at some point.
Peter, when she was making pretzels, I tried them. I was not
They come at a premium these days.
good, but I was not expecting sweet. You know what I mean? But yeah, if you guys hang
As
around,
simple as they are so useful, as you said.
Yeah.
oh, you want us to get it?
Oh, well gosh, well thank you, sir. You're too kind.
Here, I'll look like I'm doing something important.
You're so useful.
Doing a little blacksmithing here, making a few nails and small things. When the fort was built in 1755, at least 2 blacksmiths in this community working, using this hardwood charcoal to heat the forge, which has been common for a backcountry area like this. Of course, the bellows pumps air into the forge, heat the metal. They want the metal to be at about 1800 degrees when you're working with it.
Mr. Andrew here doing his thing here. Does a great job. What were some things that they usually made around here when the fort was active?
We think they were doing some blacksmithing in this area when the fort was here. Of course, when it was being constructed, they would need nails for the roof. They would have needed hinges for the doors. Muskets would have had to been repaired and worked on. Shoeing horses, we know they have at least some horses here, so things of that nature.
No, it's a pretty hot business. It ain't for the lighthearted.
Certainly today. And the object of the game, we got this nail header, that square holes to draw that out where it'll slip down in there. Then we'll cut this extra off at the top. That's what the head's really made out of. So let me hit that one more time.
Yeah. Is that base and the fire, is that clay like
It is,
like the
yeah.
oven over there?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
clay, yeah.
Okay.
It's a mixture of clay and sand.
Okay.
And really strong on it,
See, we do that. Step in our yard.
cool it off here.
It's good. Listen, y'all, we forgot to score the top. We were in a hurry.
Nail.
Very cool. Ingenious people back then. You know?
Yes, it's the place that you go. I love it. That's why I do the hobby.
That's awesome.
That's bread.
How'd you learn how to do this?
Just trial and error.
Yeah?
YouTube.
Yeah?
Books.
Awesome.
Mostly just getting metal hot and see what it'll do.
Pretty cool.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice little nail. Pretty fascinating.
Yeah.
It really is. Wow.
I guess it took a lot of time to make enough to build a house.
Well, there were specialized nail makers working in England and Europe, and they can make about 1,000 a day.
Really?
One worker could, yeah.
Well, 1,000 nails though wouldn't. You could go through 1,000 nails in a house.
Yeah, that the fort. But we've estimated it take about 7,000 nails for the roof to put the roof on it.
Yeah.
So take a nail maker 7 days to make all the nails for that.
So were those type of nails used in that roof?
They were, in fact, in the